and to make sure that the future we want to build
Mandla. Let's take our seats, comrades. Let's take our seats.
Amandla, Amandla, away two, Amandla, away two, Matimba, Aina, long live the EFF, long live the EFF, long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live, Matla. Arona Manda Ashu Manda Ashu. Thank you very much. Let's sit according to regions. Please, let's sit according to regions. We are about to start. Leadership is already here. Let's sit according to regions. We are about to start with the program. Leadership of regions, please take charge of your regions. You are going to account branch by branch. We are about to start with our program. Leadership of regions, leadership of EFF Student Command, Secretary Chairperson, come inside with your delegates. You are going to account on your branches. All of us, we are going to remain seated. No one must be standing. No one must be standing. We are starting with the program. All officials of the province, please come on stage. PCT members in the front, our program is about to start. Leadership is here. Leadership have arrived. We want to organize ourselves accordingly. PCT in the front, public representatives, chairperson of the student command and secretary, please organize your delegates accordingly. No one must be standing. We are sitting down. We have enough chairs here in this arena. Let's sit accordingly. We sit according to regions. Student command on my far right. We sit according to regions. Officials of the province, please come on stage. Comrades of student command on my far right. You can utilize the stands. It's okay if your men is allowed. We are sitting according to regions. Chairpersons and secretaries of regions, please take charge of your delegates. Make sure that your regions are seated. No one must be standing. If your member of your branch is standing, you are going to account now. RCT members, please coordinate your delegates accordingly. We want to start. There's nothing difficult about that. No one must remain standing. We are all sitting down. RCT members, please take charge of your branches. RCT chairpersons and secretaries, RCT members, please show your delegates how to sit.
Amandla. 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 Away, two. Long live the economic freedom fighters, long live. Long live the EFF in Gauteng, long live. Live. Long live the EFF in Western, long live. Long live the EFF in Western, long live. Long live the EFF in Tshwane, long live. Long live the EFF in Ekurhuleni, long live. Long live the EFF in Joburg, long live. Long live the EFF in Joburg, long live. Long live the EFF Student Command, long live. Long live. Phambili ngomzabalazo phambili. Phambili ngogesi phambili. Hawe musho wamagodu hawe. Hawe muso wamagodu hawe. Phansi nge-ANC phansi. Phansi nge-ANC phansi. Phansi ngoSirili phansi. Hawe two. And the President of the Economic Freedom Fighters, Comrade President Julius Selomalema. Sipilele, Comrade President Julius Selomalema, Sipilele. Sibingelele, the Central Command Team members who are here, led by the CCT convener deployee in Gauteng, Commissar Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Sibingelele, the members of the Provincial Command Team, led by the officials of the province. Regional Command Team members who are here, led by the chairpersons and secretaries of regions, and the branch command team members, members of the ward coordinating teams. Those whom we look up to when we need to do the work of the EFF. Sibingelele, the EFF Student Command that is here. Sibingelele, and acknowledge as well the EFF are here, proportional representatives and ward councillors, members of the provincial legislature who are here, and those who are also MMCs are here. Thank you for coming, fighters. Firstly, before we continue with the agenda that is before you, fighters, we must stand in front of you and in front of the President and the Commander-in-Chief and sincerely apologize to EFF South Africa and the office We're here to take kind of much from the Commander-in-Chief as we prepare for the coming revolution in the next few days. So what we are going to do is we are going to go right straight into the roll call and apologies. We are going to call upon the secretaries of regions to give us the roll call. Rotoma Kasidibeng. So can So, Secretary, please give us the roll call of the branches, the members of the RCT, and the members of the public representatives.
Thank you, Commissioner. Greetings to the President, greetings to all leadership who's here. RCT members is 18 out of 20. I have 2 apologies. Is Noise Mulakari, she's admitted at hospital, and Lizibu Shula, she's not feeling well. Branches of Citibank, we are having 71 out of 73. Student command, we are having 6 out of 6. We have 21 out of 23. We have a family commitment. She's out of the province. We are having a Noise Monakari. She's also a public rep. She's admitted to hospital. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Secretary. We're now going to move to West Rand. Can West Rand please give us the roll call?
Thank you very much.
Secretary, please stand this side. Stand this side.
Thank you very much, Chairperson of the Province. Greetings to the Commander-in-Chief. West Rand, out of 102 branches, we are having 100 out of 102. Public representatives, we are having 18 out of 18. RCT members, we are having 13 out of 14. And Student Command West Call, we are having 5 out of 5. Thank you.
Thank you, Nopala. We're now going to go to the city of Johannesburg, the Secretary of Johannesburg.
Thank you very much, Chairperson of the Province. Greetings to the leadership. The total expected branches of Johannesburg, it's 135. Present, it's 130. 4 branches that are not here. Total expected of RCT members are 24. We've got 16 present, then 4 apologies. Including the MMCs, both of them, they are in a mayoral committee that is taking place today. The student command, it's 8 out of 8, they're all here. The public representative in Johannesburg, they are 29, they're 28, the 2 are in council. The MMC, both of them, they are in the mayoral committee. Those that are absent, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. To the city of Ekurhuleni.
Okay, Amanda, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chairperson. Greetings to the President. In Ekurhuleni RCT, the expected is 9. Then the branches of Ekurhuleni expected is 112. We have 101 present. The public rep, the expected is 21. We have 19 present. Student command, we have expected is 7. We have 7 out of 7. The apologies from the RCT, we have 2 apologies of fighter Lisiba Mutapo is later, Posha Silika reported at work. Then from the councillors, we have 2 apologies, Zanele Papiane, ill health, Muluanto Mukwena, family commitment. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Nopala. We're now going to ask and call upon the Nopala of Tshwane to give us the roll call.
Thank you very much, Chairperson. Greetings to the Commander-in-Chief. In 20 out of 107 branches, we have 100 present. In terms of the public reps expected, we were supposed to have 23. We have 0 due to council sitting today. Out of 19 RCT members expected, we have 5 and 14 apologies. Student command, it's 9 out of 9. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Nopala. The public representatives of Tshwane, they are waging a war against the racist DA in council. As hence, they are not here. I appreciate their efforts. Now we are going to call on the province, the provincial deputy secretary, to give us the roll call for the PCT. Over to you, deputy secretary.
Mandla, thank you very much. For the PCT, the roll call is 23 out of 25. With 2 apologies. Ya Meme VC, Puti, family bereavement, and also Franz Ngobeni, ill health. Thank you very much.
No, thank you very much, Deputy Secretary. So in total, we've got 489 wards of the EFF that are present in today's meeting. President, Commissars, fighters, I'm now going to call upon the CCT convener deployee. To reflect on the members of the Central Command team.
Amanta Maibuye Africa Maibuye. Thank you. Ngiyanibingelela nonke fighters egameni elihle le inkululeko yomnotho wezwe ensukwini zokuphila kwethu. Ngizocela ama Central Command team members kuba sibahlelele ihlalo la baze ngaphambili. Ama CCT deployees. President, we have an apology from Commissar Liane, who is on her spokesperson duties with the Deputy President. And Commissar Mgcini is not a deployee of the CCT here, but he's in a mayoral committee, again in relation to his mandate in the City Council administration. Comrades, without any further ado, I'm going to invite all of us to stand on our feet and welcome the leader of the African Economic Emancipation Revolution in the continent, the diaspora, and the whole world. Comrade Commander-in-Chief, President Julius Sello Malema.
Amandla. 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 Viva EFF, viva!
Viva EFF, viva! Forward to the revolution, forward! Forward to the revolution, forward! Siyavala mande, siyavala! Siyavala mande, siyavala! Amandla! Siyabonga, thank you very much. Sibonge, our chairperson and the secretary of the province, together with members of the PCT, and also thank the convener who knows the whereabouts of the people he's convening here in Gauteng, because he just told us one has given an apology, the rest are here, including the CCT member who's a deployee in the city of Johannesburg responsible for public safety. We thank all the regions and the student command for coming here today in our PGA, where we are going to have a final gathering before the actual day. So it's always important that before we all go out there, we come together and be able to appreciate each other's effort and only wait for the day when it happens. So every time we go to war as Africans, we always sing. So I'm not a very good singer, because there are good singers here like Dr. Mbwiseni. So, but some of the songs I want to sing, I don't think he knows them. We used to sing a song here about appreciation of Robert Mugabe. So we say, Vuyan, yeah? Mugabe ndi baba, Mugabe ndi baba we, Mugabe ndi baba, Mugabe ndi baba we, Mugabe ndi baba, Mugabe ndi baba we, Mandela ndi baba, Mandela ndi baba we, to Gaddafi ndi baba, Gaddafi ndi baba we, Gaddafi ndi baba, Gaddafi ndi baba, Gaddafi ndi baba we, Lumumba ndi baba, Lumumba ndi baba we, Lumumba ndi baba, Lumumba ndi baba we, Nyerere ndi baba, Nyerere ndi baba we, Nyerere ndi baba, Nyerere ndi baba we, Mugabe ndi baba, Mugabe ndi baba we, Mugabe ndi baba, Mugabe ndi baba we, Mandela ndi baba, Mandela ndi baba we, baba wetu, Aupiko ndi baba, Aupiko ndi baba we, 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 Subukwe ndi baba, Subukwe ndi baba we, Subukwe ndi baba, Subukwe ndi baba we, Nomzamo ndi mama, Nomzamo ndi mama 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 we, Nomzamo ndi mama,
Nomzamo di mama we, nomzamo di mama, nomzamo di mama we. Amandla. That's my word. Mandla. So there is another one who must sing. You see, singing with the mic is difficult. So, but I hope you'll also catch this one. Meme matlangu awubutse solina wona setolakai awumeme matlangu awubutse Solomone awuscorpion sena wona setolakai awumeme matlangu awubutse Solomon awuscorpion sena wona setolakai awume awubutse aye awuscorpion sena wona setolakai today tsangola today Angola, ona shaya mapono today, out today, out today, Angola, ona shaya mapo, out today, Angola, out today, out today, Angola, ona shaya mapono. Awumeme matla awubutse aye scorpion sena wona setolakai awume awubutse aye scorpion sena wona setolakai awutute awutute out today, ona shaya mapo, out today, out today, out today, ona shaya mapo, au me ma, au botes, aye, au scorpion sena. Oba setolakai awumeme matla awubutse aye awuscorpion sena wona awutute 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 ona shaya mapono awutute out today, ona shaya, out today, out today, out today. Mandla. Awumemewe sensare kya tsamaya kya boshole mabasenga khulchava senswa meme chava sensare kya tsamaya kya boshole mabasenga khul
Memewe sentware kya tsamaya ke ya boshole mafaseng a khul setšhaba we setšhaba se a bolawa setšhaba we setšhaba tšhaba setšhaba we setšhaba se a bolawa setšhaba we memewe sentware ke a tsamaya ke ya bošole mafaseng a kgole setšhaba ye setšhaba se a bolawa setšhaba ye setšhaba se a fe memewe sentware ke a tsamaya ke ya bošole mafaseng a kgole memewe sentware ke a tsamaya ke ya bošole mafaseng a kgole setšhaba ye setšhaba se a bolawa setšhaba yo setšhaba se a fela setšhaba ye setšhaba se a bolawa setšhaba we setšhaba se a bola mandla ao le sa magwala tšhetše le samba boi ba tšhetše o ya rona 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 le sa magwala tšhetše le samba boi ba tšhetše o ya rona 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 le samba boi ba tšhetše o ya rona ba pelo le sa magwala a tšhetše o ya rona 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 amandla amandla Stop. Auto, 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 Au yefe enyaga masocha. Ye toa. Yefe enyaga masocha. Ye toa. Au toa.
Toa. Malema over toa. Chi toa. Socha. Angineza. Chi toa. Toa. Chisawe. I did you to you. I am a man to you.
Manza. I don't know these things of Dio. Asista le makai. Siola le saten. Asista le makai. Siola le saten. Atobola singene. Atobola singene. Atobola makerela. Atobola singene. Sala le ma.
Lale Zimbabwe. Azizala le makaya ma. Slale Shatene. Chis. Tobola singene. Tobola kerela. Tobola